Marie, and with the new stay-at-home order, I wanted to show you guys how you can make a no-sew face mask at home. You can do this as a self project, or you can get the kids and make this a fun project as a family. So the few things that you would need is square piece of fabric, 16 centimeters long, 18 centimeters wide. You would need 2 strips of the same fabric, and that's 12 inches long. You would need 2 strips of string of your choice, 24 centimeters long, a marker, a ruler, scissors. Also, you would need something to hold the fabric together. My choice is clothespins. You just need something that has a grip to it, okay? And it could be a binder clip or something that can grip the fabric really good. And also you would need a glue gun. So we now have everything that we need, so let's create.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Thank you.